Protoje lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Protoje, born Oje Ken Ollivierre on June 14, 1981, in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, is a key figure in the reggae revival movement, a wave of modern artists breathing fresh life into traditional reggae. Raised in a musically gifted household, his mother is Lorna Bennett, a popular Jamaican singer from the 1970s, and his father, Mike Ollivierre, is a former calypso singer from St. Vincent. This heritage gave Protoje a strong foundation in music, blending reggae, hip-hop, and dub to create a distinct sound that resonates both locally and globally. Protoje began his musical journey in the mid-2000s, gaining attention with the release of his 2005 mixtape Lyrical Overdose Volume 1, which featured collaborations with prominent dancehall artists like Busy Signal. However, his real breakthrough came when he teamed up with Don Corleon Records, run by his cousin, producer Don Corleon. This partnership birthed his debut album, The 7-Year Itch, 2011, featuring tracks like Arguments and Rasta Love with Ky-Mani Marley, which cemented his place in the reggae landscape. He followed up with the 8-Year Affair in 2013, with songs such as Kingston Be Wise, which gained international exposure after being featured in the video game Grand Theft Auto 5. This exposure helped Protoje reach a global audience, particularly in Europe and North America. In 2015, he released Ancient Future, produced by Philip Winta James. The album's standout track, Who Knows, a collaboration with Chronix, became one of the defining songs of the reggae revival era. Protoje's influence continued to grow with A Matter of Time, 2018, which earned him a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album. His 2020 album, In Search of Lost Time, featured contributions from global artists and climbed high on reggae charts. In 2022, he released Third Time's the Charm, which also received a Grammy nod, proving his consistency and relevance in the genre. Outside of his own music, Protoje is deeply invested in uplifting other artists through his label, Dig Nation Collective. In 2020, the label partnered with RCA Records, expanding the platform for Jamaican acts such as Lila Ike and Savannah. Through this, Protoje has become not only an artist but also a mentor and cultural ambassador. In terms of lifestyle, Protoje is known for his spiritual and conscious outlook. He lives a relatively private life, often focusing on wellness, creative expression, and social commentary through his music. He has a daughter and is reportedly in a relationship with actress and artist Lindsay Lodenkirk, though he keeps his personal life mostly out of the spotlight. As of 2025, Protoje's net worth is estimated between $2 million and $5 million. His income stems from album sales, streaming royalties, international tours, brand endorsements, and his label ventures. More than just a reggae artist, Protoje stands as a torchbearer for modern Jamaican music and a symbol of cultural evolution.